Anak ng veteranang aktres na si Eva Darren na si Doc Fernando de la Peña nagsalita na hinggil sa apology o paghingi ng paumanhin ng FAMAS. Narito po ang kanyang response. In response to the FAMAS apology, my dear Facebook family, we truly appreciate the overwhelming display of love and support. Once again, the people have spoken and proved that the keyboard is mightier than the sword. Salamat, my kinakapatid Rebelyesa and Miss Maria Gumilia, for spreading the word. My mom is one top cookie. She is a battle-tested survivor of life's arena. Miss Eva Darren has found some comfort in the midst of a loving family, which includes you all. Growing up in a middle-class neighborhood in Manila, we didn't have much. My mom turned night into day to provide for us, including an education that installed fundamental virtues and principles of Filipino culture that necessitates respect for the elderly. It is far from our intention to ruffle feathers, and in fact, our upbringing inclined towards avoiding trouble at all cost, often at our emotional expense. I remember one of my designated house chores as a child was to make sure Mom's famous trophy from 1969 stays constantly dustless and polished. One of the very few treasured possessions we have. We revered FAMAS and everything it stands for. This is why what happened to my mother in the eyes of our family was incomprehensible, unexpected, unimaginable. I firmly believe that what hurt my mother the most is disappointing her apos who tagged along in the hopes of seeing Grandma on stage. We also know that Mr. Tirso Cruz III, veteran actor loved by all donor of many campaign tents when I was a Boy Scout in grade school, and the PR officer of FAMAS Mr. R, an incredible author and lover of classic cinema, have nothing to do with what happened, and just the same were casualties of someone's questionable backstage judgment. My mom was seated in a table front and center adjacent to the stage, rubbing elbows with my second mom, Ninang Divina Valencia, and my awesome Tita Marisa Delgado. For the reasons I stated above, and on behalf of my mother, Miss Eva Darren, our family accepts the olive branch that FAMAS has extended and only hope that future events would prove to be contrasting. I understand that we are but a small voice in the back row of rowdy crowd, but if I may humbly, personally recommend two things for the 73rd FAMAS Awards night, please stick to the script and maybe a nice pair of eyeglasses for all in charge. Respectfully, Dr. Fernando de la Peña, FB Fernando de la Peña. Mula naman sa Showbiz Insider and talent manager na si OG Diaz, narito po ang kanyang naging opinion. Sabi ng FAMAS spokesperson ba yun? Hindi raw malocate ang seat ni Miss Eva Darren, kaya nagkaroon ng last-minute replacement sa stage. Sorry for my word. Dank. Sa tanda naman ni Miss Eva, saan naman kaya siya pupunta? Nagte-table hopping pa ba siya? Nagyosi sa backstage? Nagjag sa Carino Grandstand? Namamasyal sa Luneta? Mga palaka kayo. Samantala, may nakapagsabi sa akin, kayo ng mga taga-riyan ang sumagot kung true. Binigyan nyo ng award ang ilang hindi naman karapat-dapat magka-award porke nag-sponsor lang ng malaki. True ba? Tapos inabala nyo yung matandang nirerespeto sa industriya para lang mabastos sa gabi ng parangal. Iba talaga ang tinitingnan sa tinititigan. Siyempre mahalaga ang opinyon ng ating mga ka-showbiz snappers, kaya naman please comment na ito sa ating comment section. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.